4?
4. I think we're starting to lose count.
Yeah, I think it's day 4 of our trip. We're still at a hotel grabbing some breakfast before we head out. No gas station stop today, so
We're starting in here.
changing up for you guys today.
Today's a shorter ride, so that's always good. And we're going to, should I tell them now or wait?
Alright, so we just drove through North Carolina, South Carolina, and now we're in Georgia. And after we leave here, we're going to...
We are going to go kayaking in the Savannah River, and it's actually a 5-mile kayak.
Yeah, 5 miles that accumulates to 2 hours.
We're getting ready. Hi, Annie. So we are officially kayaking. It's a bit terrifying, but it's awesome. Like, we're kind of just floating on water. I think that's the biggest thing that's kind of scary.
So today's an extra hot day. They told us they had a couple heat strokes today, so we brought our waters to make sure we stay hydrated. Hydration is key. What we didn't tell you all was that there's actually snakes and like wasps and what, alligators?
Yep, alligators also.
Alligators and this like near the river and whatnot, so we have to look out for those things to add to it.
Woo, baby, can you help me turn us a little bit? Just help me turn a little bit.
You got it, Captain.
I'm holding the camera and turning us at the same time.
Which way are you trying to turn?
I'm trying to just get straight, because you see how we
go straight, we'll run into the wall.
All right, y'all. Let's see what we can get done. And something moving, dear God.
Pictures of wood, I think.
Little waterfall back there. We turning again.
So before we got a kayak, the guy was saying that there's a party of like 3 women that went out before us, and it's been like almost 4 hours and they still didn't check in yet. And like I said before, this river takes about 2 hours to finish. Hopefully they're okay and everything's fine. Oh, there's some turtles over there. So we've been paddling for about 30 minutes, and here's our first bridge.
This is our 2-mile mark.
Yeah, the first bridge is 2 miles between the start point. And like I said, there's 3 bridges we have to cross before we get close to the end.
We are coming up on the railroad tracks now. It's like a little town with, what do you call these buildings? Like railroad stuff.
Civilization, we found life.
You think we gonna fit under that? My goodness.
Shoot. They didn't think about this.
All right, lean back. You're like Fat Joe.
Don't lean back too much, you're gonna tilt the boat.
No, just lean your head back. All right, it's okay. Officially at 3.5 miles. We have 1 more bridge. That's our 4-mile mark, and then shortly after we'll be turning off to go into the last canal before we can dock our kayak. They weren't lying when they said that the 3rd bridge was a little closer. We just passed through the 2nd one.
I'm not complaining.
So this one is a 1/2 mile in front of us, and that's our 4 mile mark.
So as you know, we passed our third marker, and now we should see a bunch of houses on our right side. And then after the last house, we're supposed to turn right, but we don't see any houses yet.
He said it was like a quarter mile farther down. So we probably, like, I feel like we should have seen them by now. But we do see people, which is a good sign that we're not completely lost. Okay, so I think we found the houses. He said there's a few single-story houses, and that's kind of what we're passing. We can barely see them though, they're covered. But so we should be turning shortly after this. Ooh, that house has a cute little teepee over it. How cute is that?
See no trespassing and beware of dogs, in case any pirates try to come and rob the place, or the little tiki bar. So we're making a right at the big opening. So I have to cross a small little bridge before we get to the end of, well, right now we're turning into a lake. And then we gotta go through the lake, go underneath a bridge, and then get to the end point. And then go from there.
That is definitely a little bridge. And then we have to go to the left. But there's nothing over here. So, like, what does she mean by left? We are here. Oh my goodness, I'm so tired. We're gonna let Adly bring us in. This lake was the hardest part of it all.
Yeah, because the water in the lake is still, the river was moving. So we're next to this cool waterfall. But what we really want to show you is this right here. Look at this.
So these are, if you don't know, these are called love locks. And usually someone that's in a relationship will put their name and their lock onto a bridge. And it'll stay there forever. I wish we would have known. We could have brought ourselves a love lock.
But look how many they have. Some of them are even engraved. It's always important to have hope and to believe in not only yourself, but also your relationship. Alright guys, so we're here at a hotel. We're at a different hotel originally, but we couldn't stay there for multiple reasons.
Yeah. it didn't work out. We'll talk about it later though.
Story for a different day. So we ended up driving an extra hour to a different location, and now we're here. We're gonna end our night in the pool over there, have some fun. But we're gonna end the vlog here, and then tomorrow we're going to start day 5, I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
But until then,
Live your best life.
that's the best life you can live.